In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OBS Studio failed to start recording, starting the output failed error. If you're seeing that message when you hit record, don't worry, this walkthrough will get you back up and running. Start by opening OBS Studio so we can adjust a few key settings together. Once OBS is open, head to Settings, then click the Output section. This is where recording and encoder options live, and a small misconfiguration here is a common cause of the error. Next, look at your recording encoder. If you've been using a hardware encoder like NVIDIA NVENC or a similar option and the output fails to start, switch it to software X264. Software encoding uses your CPU instead of your GPU and is a reliable fallback when the hardware encoder can initialize. Apply the change and try a quick test recording to see if the error clears. If that didn't fix it, update your graphics drivers. Outdated GPU drivers often cause encoder initialization failures. Grab the latest driver from your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and install it, then restart your computer before trying OBS again. Fresh drivers frequently resolve conflicts that block the output from starting. Another quick fix is to run OBS with elevated permissions. Close OBS, right-click the OBS shortcut, and choose Run as Administrator. This ensures OBS has the rights it needs to access your GPU and write to your recording location, which can remove permission-related errors. Back in Settings under Output, change the mode to Advanced to see more detailed options. Open the Recording tab and double-check for any incorrect settings. Make sure the selected encoder matches what your system supports. Your rate control and bitrate are reasonable for your hardware, and nothing is set far beyond your system's capabilities. Apply changes and test again. If nothing's working so far, consider resetting OBS to its defaults by deleting the files in the settings folder. Before you do this, close OBS and back up your scene collections and profiles so you don't lose your layouts. After deleting the settings files, reopen OBS and it will rebuild fresh defaults, clearing out problematic configurations. Finally, change your recording format if the current one is causing issues. Switch to .mp4 or .mkv in the recording tab. .mkv is very robust and can be remuxed to .mp4 after recording, while .mp4 is broadly compatible. Work through these fixes in order, testing after each change. With the right encoder, up-to-date drivers, proper permissions, clean settings, and a stable format, your recording should start smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.